We're going to be going through how to clean our planters. I like to open them up a little bit and just let them dry after I'm done with the plant. Makes it a lot easier to separate them and get the roots out. It also makes it so when we're working in the sink, the clay pebbles are going to float while the roots sink, which helps to separate them all a little. To start, I'm going to fill the sink up with warm water. I do like to use a little bit of bleach just to disinfect everything. You don't need a ton of it. We're going to start with taking our planter apart. And I just throw the whole thing inside here and tear it apart and separate the rocks from the roots. Okay, we've let that soak for a couple minutes. That's going to be disinfected now. We're going to take what clay pebbles we can out to start with. Okay, once we get enough off the top to get to the roots, I'm just going to remove what roots I can. Probably the odd clay pebble with them. Cleaning our buckets, you can either do it in the sink and fill it up, or I will often use a spray bottle, about 10% bleach and the rest just water. Depends how bad our buckets are too. This one's pretty bad for the inside. Put the lid, at least the bottom of the lid too. This part does come apart if you want to go that far. Now if you've had algae in them and you can't see through these anymore, I find a Q-tip works really well to get in there and clean these out too. Our little Q spots. This one's not too bad, so I'm just going to leave it. That's it.